So imagine not only a pendulum swinging back and forth when operating an emotional frequency, but a spiral encircling itself and a layer of energy input and output that is controlled by internal reasoning for acting in that emotion and fueled by external energies being put out by the frequency field around us. So frequencies are in a constant flux, but not just in 2 degrees, more like 2 degrees within a spherical operation of constant movement that will always come to full completion of each cycle. All destruction comes from creation. All creation leads to an ultimate destruction, to give way to a heightened enlightenment and illumination of the species as a whole. So when a civilization lacks the balance between masculine and feminine, and furthermore devalues one or the other, then a destructive force begins. Operating in the frequency will result in degradation of the human population, creating lower intelligence, more vile behaviors, aggression, and many other destructive forces, all the way to the genetic abnormalities, causing changes in the genome structure and creating diseases from a molecular basis, even playing a role in the mutation of these diseases. With this idea and thought, changing the way we operate in our frequency field and our feelings will do the opposite and could heighten our genetic structure into our next evolutionary leap. If we could collectively operate in a frequency of healing and creation, which is under the Divine Mother, then we can manipulate atoms of anything via frequency, and our universe and all of creation could come from frequency electrical energy. Energy is always around us, and we are vessels of energy as well as creators and destroyers of energy, which is why God says that we are the keepers of the garden. That's all I have so far. There's more to come. It's a work in progress.